afternoon, Honourable President. As you said, on the 4th of May, you visited Nelson Mandela Bay, and a number of media outlets, including SABC News, reported the following, with a headline that said, Ramaphosa backs Mayor Babalwa Lobishe. Apart from ongoing service delivery protests and visible decay of Nelson Mandela Bay, the Auditor General reports the following. Non-revenue water losses at 63%, non-revenue electricity losses of 30%. She found that the expenditure on repairing and maintaining municipal infrastructure amounted to 2.5% of the value of those assets against National Treasury's minimum norm of 8%. Irregular expenditure increased from 21 billion to 31 billion over the past 2 years. She found that Nelson Mandela Bay takes the longest of all metros to pay creditors at an average of 189 days against a policy of 30 days. Also, that they have the highest senior management vacancy rate of all the metros. How, Mr. President, do you reconcile this with your in-depth assessment and your praise and backing of Mayor Lobishe?